In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view keyboard shortcuts on Google Drive. Start by opening your web browser and heading to google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you use for Drive. You should see your profile picture in the top right corner. Being signed in here ensures the next steps open the right files and settings for your account. Next, click the grid icon in the top right. This is the Google Apps launcher, and it opens a panel with all your Google services. If you don't see the grid, your window might be too narrow. Try maximizing the browser or zooming out slightly until the icon appears alongside your profile picture. From the Apps panel, click Drive to open Google Drive. Your My Drive will load, showing your folders and files. If you already had Drive open in another tab, you can continue from there. Give the page a moment to finish loading, especially if you're on a slower connection or working with a large number of files. Once Drive is open, look again to the top right and click the gear icon to open Quick Settings. This small panel appears over your files and lets you access useful options without leaving the page. We're here to locate the shortcut list, so keep this panel open and visible. In the Quick Settings panel, click Keyboard Shortcuts. A pop-up window appears with a complete, searchable list of Drive actions and the keys for Windows, Chrome OS, and Mac. You can scroll to browse categories like Navigation, Selection, File Actions, and View options. Use the search field at the top to quickly find a command. Type terms like Rename, Move, Share, or Preview to jump straight to what you need. This window is perfect for practicing. Keep it open while you try a few actions, notice the platform-specific differences, and remember that some keys may vary based on your keyboard layout or language. When you're ready, close the window using the X in the corner. You can reopen it the same way at any time. If you prefer a full reference, you can save or print, click View All in Help Center from that same window. This opens Google's official article with the complete shortcut list, explanations, and any notes about browser or device differences. Bookmark the page so it's always handy, or use your browser's Find feature to jump to a specific action when you're in a hurry. When you're done, return to Drive and put your favorite shortcuts into practice. That's all you need to view keyboard shortcuts in Google Drive. Master a few core actions, revisit the list whenever you need a refresher, and you'll move through your files faster every day. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.